Unit 12 Algebra Worksheet number 22. We're solving using the quadratic formula. We will start by getting everything on the same side of the equation. It doesn't matter what side of the equation you put it on. I usually put everything on the left. So I have p squared plus 7p minus 6 is equal to 0. The negative 5 plus 12 gave me a 7. Usually bringing stuff over to the left gives me a positive p squared. That doesn't always happen, so you do have to pay attention. So my a value is 1, because there's no number besides 1 in front of the p squared. My b value is positive 7, and my c value is negative 6. When I solve this with the quadratic formula, because of the plus or minus, I'm actually going to do the equation twice. Once with negative b plus the square root, and once with negative b minus the square root. So first, p equals the opposite of b, so negative b, the opposite of b is negative 7, plus the square root of b squared, 7 squared is 49, minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is negative 6, all over 2 times a, which is 2. So I'm going to get something over 2. My calculator, negative 7 plus the square root of b squared, which is 49, minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is negative 6. I get 1.544, so a decimal, it's irrational, divided by 2. So I'm going to round on my paper 1.54. But I use the exact value in the calculator by not typing in a rounded number. I just hit divide by 2. So that's 0.772. We're going to do the same thing with the other equation, essentially negative 7 minus the square root. 49 minus 4 times 1 times negative 6, all over 2 times a, which is 2. I'm going to get another irrational number, because if you get 1, you're going to get another one. Negative 7 minus the square root of b squared, which is 49, minus 4 times 1 times negative 6. Gives me negative 15.5 and change, divided by 2. So negative 7.772. Negative 15.54, approximately negative 7.772. And those are my two solutions.